So, welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Another day. Last day of the week. Uh, and well, we are here. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we can. And well, Tokyo session give us some pips. I start the sell position around the 4449. Give us 150 pips. Then goes to the break even, grow a little more, and then this beautiful fall. So yes, the main entry was into the Tokyo session for 449. So that was great. That was good. As you can see, the account it's a little recover. And well, I need some money. I need some money for today. So this is my investment. So I need if I need cash, I'm going to do the payout. So, well, pretty easy. Remember, I'm working with the XELLION account. So I don't have that much. Um, I have $300 for do the well. Let's take the as usual 150. Again, 250, not that much. But well, would be enough for one weekend for the barbecue of this weekend. Just confirm the as usual. Just go there, make the withdrawal, TRC20. Uh, the crypto address, the USDT TRC20. Make a withdrawal. Request for withdrawal is sent to the broker. So well, let's see. At this moment, just I have $10. $10 in my Redwood Pay. $10.38. So well, let's weigh the price. Give us something good. Um, I'm waiting the request for the payout. City week, Laurie. Let's be honest. Yes, I'm not going to pretend this is a beautiful week. We did 6 trades, 7 trades, two successful trades, three stop loss, one trade close into the point of entry, one beautiful trade with Nasdaq, a successful trade with Nasdaq. So that means we won 3 trades, two in gold, one in Nasdaq, um, three stop loss, and one more or less because I close it into the point of entry. Not in YouTube live. We had so much stop loss. Yes. The information is here. I will present the good results. I will present the bad results. All the information will be listed here into the Telegram month trades and weekly trades. As you can see, in 6 trades in gold, we are in negative of pips. So simple as that. So well, my money I think has arrived. It's coming. So what? Great. But well, I gave the opportunity for the people yesterday recover some money into the Tokyo session. That's the deal. What we have. Um, I know it's not that much. So, but well, this is the this is the reality. At least, guys, remember why I stopped yesterday because I'm not going to start like over trading. Like yesterday the session was really tough. Everything, so we will feel like over trading. Probably if we lose, I'm not going to be in here and everything. So in Tokyo, give us a better experience, better point, and everything. So so yes, guys, like so well, perfect. The I already received the email about the payout. The request normally we proceed within maximum 24 hours of business days. Please note that over weekend payout delayed to 48 hours. Of course, if you, for example, request the payout on Friday night, like you will receive the money next Monday. Okay, so be clear of that. That is pretty simple to understand. Pretty simple to understand. But well, pretty simple. You have received. Well, we received your withdrawal request for $250. No, it's just time. Just time for way the USDT. Normal transactions for USDT, and that's all. Well, good. Perfect. The money is there. Not too much for this week. 250 and $60 and 38 cents. Well, 250 plus $10 what I already have in my wallet. So this is my wallet for USDT. Guys, remember, if you want to the fastest payout, XELLION will be your option. So there's a link into the chat if you want to receive this type of payouts instant, basically instant, less than 10 minutes will be the deal with the USDT. Any delay, if you have a software delay because you're doing the payouts during the weekend, remember it's a business days, guys. Business days. Okay, the account now it's in $10,100. Well, it's not too much. I understand. People don't. Well, this is the first. This is how it looks like the last weeks. $500, 250, 250. Well, the last month looks beautiful, of course. $910, $950, $500. Well, some months is looks like this, like just $250 for pay the some things, and that's all. No, but well, the account continue. The account continue with the last 3 months for 350, 250 plus 500 plus 950 plus $910 plus 500 plus 150 plus $250. Perfect. So almost 3,960 in 4 months. Well, doing the math here. 300 $3,960 in withdrawal, guys. So in payouts has been paid out. So well, great, great. The account continue more in for 10,000. So that's great. Continue like this. Probably, of course, everyone to arrive to the 15,000 and everything, guys. But it's been a difficult week. Oh well, but arriving the to the 40% of in positive, less less than 4 months with the Celio account, guys. So so let me know. Let me know. Let's do a pool. Let's do a pool. Fatty is here. Nice to see you here. Nice to hear you, my friend. Well, let me read the chat because I was focusing into the payouts and everything. They do not expect today. Okay, buyers. Your song is broken. Yes, I already explained my song. It's broken. Está buscando Pablo Vargas, está buscando soporte semanal. Sí, la zona es 43.30. Y si no, deciden hacer el retroceo en 43.85. One Piece, hola, 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 ¿cómo estás? No, hace rato no la veía. Ok. Entré en una venta en 44.19. Perfecto, muy bien, José. Cerré el 80 y los demás son abiertos. Espere, esperemos que siga así, mi amigo. Excelente punto, 44.19. Leon Perkins is here. Welcome, my friend. Otro de este tipo y esos comentarios, Laurito. Sí, sí, sí. Pero bueno, es parte de. Hey, Laurito, how you been? So glad to see you. Consultant at Work, dear. Welcome, welcome. Spot is here. Warhammer is here. Fly, Goldie Fly. Zagaria is here. Hi, hi, hello, my friend. What a day. Um, yes, it's difficult. It's difficult. Yes, I started my journaling. Trades I took today. We are successful in accordance my plan. Perfect. Arian Ovi. Pringles. We have a Pringles here, and I'm a new subscriber. Perfect, my friend. Welcome. Mhm. In long for 450. Great. So well, guys, great. Now we are just waiting the retracement. Waiting the retracement. That's all. So well, Bitcoin is falling so hard, guys. Bitcoin is falling so hard. Um, Bitcoin is falling. Let me check the prices. Let's see, 60. It's into the 60s. My last loan was into the 60, but now I will weigh the 47, $47,000 for did a hard investment there into the Bitcoin. So well, the price is not touching the sell zone. Did you buyers took profit at the top? Looks like we'll go down more. Yes, it's probably it will go down more. Hope go deeper so I can buy physical gold. Yes, that's a good investment. If you're thinking your investment will be in 5 or 10 years, something like this, or in coins for sure, like the silver coins, that would be a really good option. But it's an investment. It's a physical gold. Um, and for sure, you need to understand this is for long term, long term, guys. Good call. What's your entry point? The entry point is around minimum 43.80. At this moment, nothing to do, guys. This moment is nothing to do. No sense. 49.77. Yes, no sense, my friend. Um, Goal it's been like this since we start this week. It's difficult, I know, guys. But well, this is part of the process, part of the entries and everything. And well, for sure, if you want to be part of the community. If you want to be a funded trader, that will be the pool for today, not the how much the consistency. Let's see the pool. Well, many people here do the 10%. Well, just the 600 people. The only one who votes was 71 votes. So that means just 30 people here into the chat, including me, do the 10% per month into the account, guys. So well, good. It's nonsense. Yes, nonsense. So, well, guys, try to participate into the pool. 600 people is seeing the stream. Just 30 votes. I want to check how much people is using the prop firm, how much people is using the real money, or if some people using both, because that's totally that's the best way. Use the prop firms and the real account. If you can mix it, that will be the real deal. Mox is here. Welcome, my friend. You should also add how much per month lose. Yes, but that was the old pool. Moonstancer. Now we are in another pool. The real money, the prop firm, or the both. Arito, I don't think prop firm users are amateurs that would be see it on the live stream. To be fair, the prop firms will help you, my friend, for generate um prosperity, generate payouts with not too much pressure. Um, that's the real deal with the prop firms, my guys. But of course, you need to read the rules. You need to understand the how it works and everything. For sure, if you want to understand how it works, just go into the propermatch.com. There will help you for clarify what is the best option for you according your necessities. Okay, guys. So just try to be there. The link is into the chat. The link is into the description, and of course, you will clarify what will be your your best option. Your best option. But first, you need to do your homework. Read what you are looking for. Read, guys. You need to read the instructions. You need to read the rules. You need to read um, the type of account what you will choose. Many people just go and choose an account and they don't know how it works. They don't read, and for that reason, the prop firms are too bad for them. Okay, so please read the information there. The information is into the link. Same if you want to use a real broker, guys. If you want to use a real broker, you need to read the how the broker works into your country, because all the country works different. But you need to clarify that. You need to clarify that, and then just keep your information clear into your mind. That's your first step, and then you can work. Prop firms are easy. Just don't be greedy and read their rules exactly. Open some, say them, give us a real nice key. The prop firms will help you. Without the prop firms, probably I'm not going to be here in front of you guys, and probably will continue destroying like real accounts and everything. But the prop firms will help you to clarify what is the options for you and everything. So it's very easy. Just click into the link and you will find the best options into the market, guys. Let me read the other comment here. Prop firms are good, but need the skills first. Most of those people in this chat is lacking. Let's be honest, and no offense for to the fellow viewers. Yes, but for that reason, you have a different prices. If you are going to start, just start with a 50 key, 50. No, sorry, 5 key, 5. Sorry, 5,000 account or 2,000 account to be on a prop firm. You know. So well, this is the deal for the ones who are starting. Invest less but learn a lot. If you already have to learn, you can continue and create an account in a real broker. But without learning, without knowledge, I don't recommend if you go straight to the real account, because you will lose your money. You will be 98% of the people will lose that money. Okay. Lorito, kindly send me a link for a good prop firm for Macho KK, my friend. Again, all the information what you need about the prop firms is listed into the propfirmmatch.com, guys. Okay, all that information is listed there. So click into the link. The link is into the chat. The link is into the description. The only thing, just create an account, and you will apply for many different discounts. Whatever was your shoes, all the companies, if you pass the challenge, will pay you with no problems. Okay. Okay. Laurito, do you believe people here got the skill to generate consistent profits? To be honest, Warhammer, 90% of the people into the chat will lose money because they don't have the consistent. Just come here 2 3 days. If I lose that 2 3 days, they will be angry and never come back. But they understand. They don't understand. I have another sessions. They don't understand. I will continue. They don't understand. I will have a really good weeks. They don't understand. At the end of the month, I will try to end with a 10% of the account. 10% of my account is around $1,000. $1,000. Um, well, I know for some people here it's not too much, right? Um, $1,000 in my country without taxes, without nothing, just receiving it as a clear. You can go into the ATM and withdrawal. Just you can do it with no problems. And many people here in Costa Rica can do it like this. So well, it's um it's pretty nice. And well, the other thing is, like uh, the money is the secondary. I have many time, free time to spend with my family. And I can do whatever I want. You know, and that's all. That's all. Mm, Probably the people into the Telegram or the people into the Discord have a little more consistency in his trading and everything. Um, but well, it depends of the people. It depends of the experience. All of that accounts. But yes, both perform and real money is just the same. Yes, but for example, keyboard, for your, if you are a founder account, you said like I have a 50,000 account, but you can't do the withdrawal of that 50,000 account. That's the difference. You can do the withdrawals for your prop firm, but you can do the whole withdrawal for your prop firm. Thanks, Consulta de Gore. I appreciate your support and your consistency here. That's pretty important. That's pretty important. It's a prop account. No, Tony Gold. This is a real account. They come and go when you lose. That's truly not consistency. Exactly. Uh, Many people do it like this. Like the consistency don't have the consistency. If I lose, they just disappear, and that's all. ¿Cuánto te dura $1,000 en Costa Rica? A mí, de ahí una semanita, tal vez menos, pero, por lo general, $1,000 en Costa Rica, así me relajo y no hago mucho desorden, 2 3 semanas sin problema. Ahorita lo que pasa fue que los meses pasados, de esos $4,000, tenía ahorrados 2,500, ya me los bailé en un viajecillo que hice por ahí y de los retiros, digamos, que he hecho. Y ahorita, bueno, sigo sacando esos 250, así como para gastos diarios, nada más. $1,000 en México es un sueldo mensual. $1,000 en México creo que es más del salario mensual. Esperemos que lo saquemos en positivo, claro. What's the maximum lot size you ever use? One lot, my friend. One lot. Ahora es que llamo la boca, ¿no? Ya deben de estar todos enojados, más que ya ven que, que la cuenta está en positivo y que bueno, de ayer básicamente tuve que ponerme un poco ahí bueno, ese es el trade de Tokio y the last 7 hours. El trade en Tokio y bueno, el trade que se perdió ayer, que fueron aproximadamente $700 por ahí. Luego lo que hice fue recuperar $300, 273, recuperé casi $600 más los 270 para recuperar la cuenta ahí en positivo, ¿no? Entonces ahí fue básicamente lo que teníamos, ¿no? Pero bueno, es parte de. Do you use different accounts for NAS? No, I use the same one, my friend Owen Satan. Right now, I'm basically 90% of the time I'm just using the real account. I just take 2 or 3 trades into the funded account just for don't lose the account, guys. Can you teach how to hold? I was selling but scared, especially in selling because I believe I will return to that end time. Daniel, the first, if I can teach you how to hold, but I can teach you how to don't be scared. The first question is why you are scared. Because the price always go back to entry, but it doesn't matter. The price always that will happen. Tell me the real reason why you feel scared. I thought you were going live three losses. Yes, but I recovered it into the Tokyo, so I'm here. I'm here. Who Games, if you want to check the yesterday live stream, you can compare the account amount and the account amount right now. And for sure, I already did the payout directly to XELLION, guys. So that's the thing, guys. You know, the payout, it's pretty important. You need to clarify that, like, okay, I'm going to do the 5%. 5%. I'm going to do the 10%. I'm going to do the 15% or something like that. But well, this is the reality, guys. I know many people don't like it. But well, again, um, every week I repeat the same thing, guys. If you are going to use a broker, and the first thing, use the one who can permit you to done to that broker. You can use it and you can withdraw all your money by USDT. Okay, no taxes, simple, simple and clean. Um, the other, your minimum investment doesn't matter what happened. If you are going to invest $100 or $1,000, be clear you don't need that money. Because if you need that money for, in general, for your life, or pay the electricity, pay the water, or something like this, you're if you open a trade, you're going to feel scared. You're going to feel scared. You're going to feel like many feelings just in one trade, guys, because you need that money, because you feel really sad if you lose that money, and you're going to start like overthink and everything. Probably you will try the revenge and every and a lot of mistakes, because you are not thinking you are doing an investment. You know, if you add the money into a broker, that's an investment. Okay, that's an investment. So if you want to try it, if you feel okay, Celium is there for give you a hand. Really friendly environment. You can use this beautiful platform supported by TradingView. Well, try to thinking about that. The link is there. Check the information, and you will find a lot of things there. Okay, Revenge and lost 3,000 today and won 2,000 yesterday. The chart's crazy. Official, my friend. Yes, that's the thing, you know. Bro, I have made an account in your link provided. My friend, now Macho, that is up to you. I recommend E8 markets, FDMO, funded pips. Just find the best one according how much money you want to invest in your first prop firm, and that's all, my friend. Pretty easy. Now you can get the discounts, and for sure you will have a really good experience. Why haven't you been trading with us with Tokyo Session lately? Alberto Braga. I've been waking up early waiting for your signals in YouTube channel because the Tokyo sessions is for the exclusive for the people in Telegram and Discord, guys. So if you want to be part of the community, Telegram and Discord, it's there. The option. Just you need to contact me by WhatsApp. There is the option, guys. The only option to contact me is by WhatsApp. I have created an account. You provide perfect. Next go. I got perfect loyalty points. That is directly with the prop firm, my friend Macho. Just go there. Read all the information there, my friend. Um, check what is the best option for you according your knowledge. For sure, according your knowledge. Which firm is good, my friend? E8 Markets, FTMO, Funded Next. Funded Next could be great. Funded Pips. Exactly. Thanks for help us there, my friend. Trilogy. The loyalty points will give you discounts, my friend, for the final price with prop firm. Yes, but any questions about the loyalty points, my friend? Again, proper match have a really good team. For clarify any question, just ask them if you have any questions about the loyalty points. The price is now, guys. It's there. It's trying to continue. Xelion tiene su plataforma para hacer trading. Sí, mi amigo. Xelion, esta es la plataforma de Xelion. El soporte, soporteada por TradingView, por eso se parece tanto a TradingView. Por eso aquí está el simbolito, ¿verdad? Está soporteada por TradingView, entonces ahí tiene toda la información, ¿verdad? Por eso las informaciones, los del FIBO, todo es muy similar a TradingView. Y bueno, ahí tiene la opción. Simplemente si quiere hacerse una cuenta, am, si quiere hacer una cuenta, ahí está el link, ¿verdad? Sin problema. Si es de México, puede hacer los retiros directamente al banco. De México para abajo, todo es por USDT. ¿Ok? México es el único país que con Celion tiene las regulaciones necesarias para poder hacer el retiro directamente al banco o a la tarjeta. ¿Ok? Are you going to buy? Ok, te escribo por WhatsApp cuando pierda mi cuenta fondeada. Estoy en UK. Ok, United Kingdom igual, mi amigo Trilogy. USDT. USDT. Todo lo que es Europa, Reino Unido, USDT. Solo India, Pakistán, países en Asia. Este. Singapur. mm, Pueden hacer retiros directamente al banco, pero todo lo demás es por USDT. Lo que yo uso para vivir es USDT, así que es el broker que me gusta. Como ven, ustedes retiran y depositan prácticamente que de inmediato, así que por eso no tengan ningún tipo de problema. Pero, sí, ¿verdad? Yo no tributo ni nada. En las cuentas del banco que tengo están en cero. Y para el gobierno de Costa Rica, yo no trabajo, no estudio, no hago absolutamente nada. No tengo ningún tipo de ingreso. Soy una persona pobre básicamente aquí en mi país porque estoy muy escondidito gracias a ese tipo de plataformas y así es como me gusta mantener. What's wrong with the markets nowadays? Order always meets more early buyer and seller. I did trading week through four losses, yes, in Euro USD, and I'm sad. Euro USD it's looking hard to. Es live account, no tiene tipo de rules, no tiene tipo de rules, ¿verdad? Eh, em, no, la única rule que tiene es, o sea, si usted deposita más de $500, le van a dar un depósito de $500, o sea, va a tener una cuenta de 1000. Ese depósito no lo va a poder retirar nada más. ¿Cuánto dura $1000 en tu país? La mayoría de gente, el 60-70% de mi país, vive con menos de $600 al mes. Un mes. ¿Verdad? Guys, speaking English. Speaking English. Sí, Trilogy es bastante caro, pero tienen diferente gobierno, diferente infraestructura, todo, ¿verdad? Aquí todo es más feo. Todo es más verde, pero digamos calles y eso son bastante malas y edificios así, si usted sale, hay lugares muy feos, la verdad. Eh, pero bueno, es parte de, a mí me gusta, lo disfruto, me gusta que el no tributar, eso es excelente, que no me pase absolutamente nada por no tributar, eso es lo mejor. Y que bueno, me pueda ahorrar esos centavos, dijo. Bearish today, yes, totally bearish, my friend. Go so much discount, where's yes, it's the discount zone. The discount zone. I need to learn Spanish. Beautiful language. Yes, it's beautiful language. I'm learning here. I learn English for trying to speak with the people. You know, $1000 no creo, José. La verdad, $1000 en México es muchísimo. No creo que sea un sueldo normal, la verdad. Estoy seguro que la mayoría de gente gana menos de $1000 en México. Vamos a preguntarle a ChatGPT. Si ganaran $1000 así al suave, este, no se irían tanto para Estados Unidos, la verdad. Bueno, según ChatGTP, México entre el 20 y el 30% ganan eh, $1000. El 70% gana menos de $1000. Pero así es en todo Centroamérica, la verdad. Oh my God, Laurito, we've got many Southeast Asia viewers. Yes, many people for Asia here, many people for Europe, many people for Africa, many people for. I don't think not too much people for United States nowadays. What we are planning now? Just waiting. I'm waiting the confirmation into the buy some trade up. Okay, guys. English, guys. English. If I'm seeing something weird words into the chat, I will block that. Well, guys, again, if you want to be part of the community, my community, it's $195. It's a unique payment for the rest of your life, guys. Okay, unique payment for the rest of your life. So please be clear of that if you want to be part of the community, there is the option. The only way to contact me is by WhatsApp, guys. Okay. Not a free access, but well, you will receive the extra trades, you will receive the information, and of course, if you want to learn, there is many options to there. My life, if I died, the channels will stop because I'm the only one to give the signals. I'm the only one to give the classes, give the pre-recorded videos and everything. So if I die, everything will stop. But I'm not planning to live to die soon, my friend Warhammer. So if you want to be part of the community, just go there. But yes, I'm not going to be retired in at least 4 or 5 years, guys. So I'm not recommend that. Okay, I use lot 0.01 and got $100. That's great. That's good. Let's say I have a good, healthy, good life. Yes, I'm going to live many years, guys. So don't worry about that. Have a Discord room? Yes, I have a Discord room. The room looks like this. Well, some people share the. Let's always share his point of view. The positions. Yesterday, the entry yesterday was like this in 4454. The cells on unexplained here. Like we need to wait the confirmation. Yesterday we got the confirmation. This confirmation was the reaction was here. And the engulfing candle was the confirmation. Just then we took the position in 4449 and then it completed the targets with no too much problems, guys. So yes, it looks like this. It's me talking, people talking. The Euro USD, for example. Nasdaq is the same. The songs for today will always sushi giving us a Grand always giving us good positions. Beautiful. Trading news, learning forex videos, many different videos about really important things. Pre-recorded videos, pre-recorded videos about the strategy, the AI stock analysis, the other tool what we use. Well, many important things here. Many important things here. Pre-recorded. The psychology random is here was supporting us the psychology, trying to give him follow up. But yes, like this is how it looks like. Well, general questions for sure. General questions. People ask me here different things. Um, well, I always try to do the information there. But yes, this is the information what we handle in there. Fuck you too. Be with your family is more important. I always stay with my family. Daniel, I just work 3 hours maximum, 4 hours per day, and the rest, and the next 20 hours, I stay with my family. Sometimes I feel I need a break. But yes, I don't know. Maybe the people with family. But it's different. A worker who always stay out of the house 12 hours always will miss the family. Always with my family. Sometimes I need some time free. Very well. One day in the month, I have a free time, and I dedicate my free time just for drink some beers, smoke some cigarettes, relax with my friends. That's all. But just one day per month. That's the only what I have permit. Okay. I ordered Hawaiian pizza for lunch. Beautiful. I really want a pizza today. I will order a pizza. How about Nasdaq? Do you interest? Yes, for sure. I trade Nasdaq. I trade Nasdaq this week. I did one beautiful trading Nasdaq. But today I was planning the open the short position, but it didn't touch my son, unfortunately. The reaction was hard, and now it's falling, same as gold. I'm waiting for Pika. Perfect. What's toppings on Pixel Aurea? I love the pepperoni, my friend. Pepperoni or a supreme with everything. But yes, guys, if you want to be part of the community, again, the only way to contact me is by WhatsApp. Not by Telegram, not by other channels. Is the only way is by WhatsApp, guys. Pretty simple. Okay, guys, this is looks like possible Pimba reaction. Let's see. Well, no. Your audience for I don't know what is that flag. But well, we are waiting, guys. We are waiting. Many people for for Singapore today. Share your flags, guys. I want to see if how many people is here into the chat for the different countries. And Daniel, if you are holding the short position, I don't recommend hold a short position during the uh, during the weekend, my friend. Everything can happen, and a gap for 300, 400 pips can happen during the weekend. Myanmar, South Asia, perfect, William. That's great, my friend. I don't know if Myanmar it's a rich country or not. Not sure. Nigeria is here. Germany is here. Perfect. Guys, we will wait another 15 minutes. Indonesia is here. Somalia is here. Great. Romania, Alexander, see Romania. Yes, it looks like a Romanian girl. Pretty beautiful. That's great. Do you want to see the bones? I just want to say free Palestine. Okay, perfect. Patient. Switzerland is here for Morty. Poland. Agustino, it's from Poland. Argelia. Belgium. Belgium is here. Beautiful, guys. So, well, guys, the only thing what we need here it's a pin bar reaction. That's all. That's all. Pin bar reaction. Something but the price go in green and give us a pin bar reaction. Turkey, that's great. Nice. Okay. Slovakia. Many people from Europe for East Europe. Nice. Poland, another guy from Poland. Great. You know, the owner for XELLION is from Poland. It's Poland. It's from Poland. Bartos. Bartos, nice guy. South Africa for Kevin Foster for sure, my friend. South Africa always is here to the party. Malaysia. South Africa, perfect. Give me 1 second. I need to open the door, guys. Still waiting. Please don't take any crazy positions. We're waiting the confirmation, okay? I'll be back in 1 minute. Waiting. Zimbabwe is here. Iran is here. I was thinking Iran don't have internet, you know? Indonesia, Pakistan. I don't know what is the blue flag with the star in the middle. For of course India. Today is a great day. I got what the 43, 47. That's a great point. Into the break of a structure, you open the short. 100% buy here. Okay, I see him. Switzerland, many people for Switzerland. That's great. Grandoid is for Asgard. Somalia, that's a great flag, you know. Levon is here. That's great, guys. And remember, if you want to be part of the community, receive extra trades, receive the information into the Tokyo session, receive the Nasdaq trades, Dungeon trades, just contact me by WhatsApp. That's the only way to contact me. Fadi is for Jordan. Perfect. Turkey. Well, guys, 6 minutes. The price is not giving us any. Yes, the internet now it's working. The last 3 days, I'm seeing, my friend. Yes, because many the viewers for Iran disappear. Um, we lose an important member from Iran too. I mean, rest in peace in Iran. But yes, Kenya. Many people from Africa, many people from Europe. Where is the WhatsApp number, Mr. Justin 18? There is a link. Just click into the link and you will see the number. Already dropped 1,400 pips. Yes. It's not usual. I think it's time to going up. Tanzania. Jibara. Shout to the Jibara. Jibara. Khaled is back again. Okay. Reaction. For 70. That's nice, my friend. Yes, here. Well, I sell in 48. I did the sell in 48. But well, shooting star, guys. Sorry, no, not a shooting star. It's pin bar reaction. So we need 4 minutes to confirm this pin bar reaction. Trade is not active. I'm just waiting, guys. I'm just waiting. I'm trading Nasdaq, but also watching your stream. I really want to take the sell position in Nasdaq, but unfortunately, I don't see that retracing what I'm looking for around 29, 8, 80, 50. So, but what's a beautiful sell sun there. Works perfectly. Just for clarify, I want to show you this. I was looking the Nasdaq trade, something like this here into the 29,856, but it never goes back to that point, and then the price now it's in A beautiful trend, but yes. So well, Trump won't be happy with this strong USD. Yes. I also have a few straight short on Ethereum. Okay, great. That's great. Thinking in a short position. That's good. So well, the price is there. And again, we got this little pin bar reaction here. A little pin bar reaction is there. Mhm. Waiting. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting because this is a little pimba reaction. Looks like indecision pin reaction. So for that reason, we are still waiting. We are waiting, guys. Who is already into the long position? I don't know if someone is into the long position. Okay, good. Good pimba reaction, finally. Gudu. 7 minutes. Boy. Okay. Hit the V and go. So let's try to do something in 5 minutes. Let's expect the price still there into the 43.30 because I'm waiting the confirmation, my friend. As simple as that. I'm waiting the confirmation. Who's still waiting? Who already take the position? Who is in sell? Who is in buy? Bean bar reaction, guys. I'm waiting the bean bar reaction. Bro, my account blast. I'm not taking any position, my friend. My recommendation is just wait. Okay? Guys, remember, if you want to use this beautiful broker, this beautiful platform supported by TradingView, there is the option. Just go there into the link. The link is into the chat and the link is into the description. Three minutes. Perfect, Owen. It's 6% just selling up today. It's a beautiful day for the sellers. Losing the pressure again. So, well, the price still there, guys. It didn't give us the pin bar what we are looking for. So let's wait this candle, this 15 minutes. Stay there, relax. We will take the position probably, but it depends for the next 15 minutes, okay? How you will see the confirmation as a pin bar reaction. You need to learn about the candlesticks. If you want to learn about candlesticks, so how to get the confirmations, there is a Telegram and the Discord into the WhatsApp, guys. It's not for free, just in case. I'm going to eat my breakfast and back. So the reaction, guys, is there. The reaction is there. Massive reaction. Okay. Okay, good. Now we need to wait the retracement around 43 or 43.32, something like this, and we will open the trade. Congratulations for the ones who take the risk and use my volume buy sum as reference and took the position. Bueno, felicidades a los que tomaron la entrada sin confirmación. Usaron la zona de... Usaron la zona en compra de muy buena forma. Así que muy bien. Okay, it's time to be ready. Okay, the price is going back. That's great. 44.40. Sorry. Okay, it's going back. That's great. 43.40. Okay, I already took the position there. 40, that's 07. Let me work into the TPS. 43. Pero en aquel paisaje donde vivo yo. Five, 43, 72. Mhm, 72. 25. Working into the TPS, TP1, 45. Futuro tan incierto, no se ha preocupado. $43.61. Suena bien. So well, I use the consolidation into the 43.40 as a point of reference for clarify if we can take the good point. It depends for the next 7 minutes if we can continue like this or not. It depends of that. So well, now it's raining so hard. So if you hear some background, it's the raining, guys. It's raining. Esperando siempre la confirmación. Sí, en TBVA, mi amigo. Esperemos que así siga. Está volviendo el precio. Pero bueno, igual nuestro punto de referencia es el 0.5. Esperemos subir rápidamente y tomar un buen punto de entrada. Y que no pase como aquí, ¿verdad? Veremos. No. So well, 4 minutes and we need to stay up to the 0.5. That's the main deal. Let's see. How many years experience do you have? 6 years. 6 years, my friend. This is for struggle shorts. 6 years. It's trying to go back and test lower prices. Unfortunately, it's going back, losing the pressure what we are seeing. So well, good. Let's see if the buyers can wake up. Remember, your stop loss is there, 43.25. No more than that. So the price still to the point of entry. That's good, but we need more, of course. We need more reaction if we want to continue with the pressure for the buyers. My trade is active. You can see here the profit or the negative. The negative right now it's negative. So all you can see here is if negative is there, is in positive is there. All the information what I'm going to show you here is into the live account. Yeah, the profit is there. Okay, live account, the profit is there. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win, guys. That's all. So the point is there. 850 people it's seeing the streaming now. You can take the decision. If you want to take the trade, more than welcome. If you can take the trade, well, what's the stop loss? Stop loss is there, guys. 43.25. Trying to continue. We need to break the 43, 40, 46. That's the point what we need to break. So now just hold him. Darshana, nice to see you here. Long time no see you. Thanks for the support. I appreciate that. Lauri, can you communicate with people living in Spain? Sí, puedo hablar español sin problema. For Warhammer. Así que sin problema, si habla español y tiene alguna duda, simplemente pueden preguntar sin problema. ¿Ok? Sin problema pueden preguntar en español. Test him. The 0.5. That's raining, make me more sleepy. $43.36 still there. Going back to the point of entry. Pure patience, guys. Pure patience. Trying to continue, but we need more. Let's see. 7 minutes. Going up. Point of entry now. Point of entry is there. Let's see. We need to see something good. Trying to test again the 0.5. This is the last 5 minutes, so we need to go more to 43.40 if we want to be quiet and nice. If the price breaks the 0.5, we will be in trouble. If not, we are fine, holding the same position, near to the point of entry, everything. This is the last 4 minutes. Unfortunately, the price trying to go there, but no, it's not happening. Seguimos esperando. Si nos mantenemos por arriba del 0.5, estamos bien. Así que es pura paciencia, ¿ok? Veremos qué sucede. Veremos qué pasa. Last 3 minutes. Price trying to stay there. This is the last 2 minutes. Come on, gold. Let's push more. 0.5 would be nice. Last candle, it's now. Good. Trying to going up. That's great. Still to the point of entry. The ones who take a better position than me use the same stop loss. It's not optional to change the stop loss, guys. That's the only rule here. Whatever you want to do with your account, do it. But don't hold positions without a stop loss. Don't hold positions with a different stop loss than me, okay? That's my only request here. That's my only request, okay? So be clear of that. Try to understand. This is trading. Our investment is a risk, and the only thing what it will help us to defend our point, our accounts, it's the stop loss. Okay, it's nothing else. So be clear of that. The people in Telegram, they are clear of that. The people into Discord, they are clear of that. Okay, so the only people who I'm seeing crazy comments and everything is here into the chat, guys. Many people here. I know it's difficult to control the 800 people, but it's a must to be clear that that you need to understand. This is the stop loss is there for one reason. It's for one reason, and the only reason to continue like this, it will depends of the of the stop loss. Okay, risk management. Hold on and trust your analysis. Yes, that's the idea too. I know many people take better position than me, 43.28, 43 to 30. They take the risk to open the trade without confirmation. We got this confirmation as a engulfing candle into the buy some. Then we wait the retracement as better as we can. Of course, I love to take the 43.36, but at that moment I took the 43.40. I know many people take a better point. Even if you take a better point, just don't change the stop loss, please. Don't change the stop loss. That's my only request, okay? Don't change the stop loss. Que se pueden parar. Forty-three. We need to break that point if we want to continue. So let's see. Trying to stay there to the point of entry. Not that much. Testing the point of entry again. Eso es por mí. Tú es bueno, lo respeto, gracias por tu excelente trabajo y el mercado de divisas. Paciencia es la clave. Sí, exacto, la paciencia es la clave. Gestionando un trade en contratendencia. Veamos a ver qué pasa. Uh, do you remember me? No. He said him. No. Guys, many people is here. Just the constant, the people with the consistency here into the channel, like every day comment and say hello and everything. I remember, but the names with the without photos and everything. I don't remember the names, guys. Sorry. I'm so visual, you know. I can't remember the visual things. For that reason, I'm pretty good with the charts because my mind record things with the visual things, you know. But the letters and that type of things is pretty difficult, or names, you know. But I remember the photos. I remember the photos for the users. Mm, Just set a photo. That's all, and I will remember you. Do you remember me? For you, Martina? For you, yes, Martina. I remember you. Even if you don't believe, I remember you because of your picture. Um, yes. So, well, guys, looking good, looking strong. That's beautiful. Let's continue. Almost there. But again, nothing to celebrate. We need to break difficult points like 43, 48. So let's see. Who are trading in a funder account? You can take trade by $100 CP and then exactly. That's great advice. This is holding or scalps. This is holding or is still scalps? No, it's for scalp, my friend. For hold positions here into the with this type of market, um, minimum you lose $50,000. $50,000, that would be great, you know. But yes, it's pretty difficult to clarify, you know, the positions and everything. And the problem is to hold position. It's probably next Monday we will see a massive gap, really massive gap. So yes, about the massive gap, it depends of the news for Donald Trump for this week. It go back or it's go up. It depends of that. Who knows? Donald Trump. He is the only one who knows uh, this type of information. Yes. No reason now it's falling down. Both at 43, 46. 43, 46. What a point. Sahid, why we stay 30 minutes into the 43, 37? Why you choose 43, 46? That's incredible, you know? Like, just because the trade is going up, some people enter. Okay, we're still to the point of entry, guys. We're still to the point of entry. Mhm. Staying there. Let's see how much it can resist there. The good thing is the sellers looks quiet, losing the pressure, losing the interest. That's important. Pretty important, you know. Like, um, Staying there really quiet. That's not the best option, but the good thing is the Dixie is going up, and gold stay there, quiet, chill, relax. So that's good. That's pretty good. Um, in every moment, uh, Dixie can fall. So let's see. If Dixie fall, we will strike to the TPS. That's my expectation. Let's expect something good. Mm. Staying there. So 9 minutes. This is the last candle in 1 hour. So really important. In the next 10 minutes, we can continue like this. Staying there. 7 minutes. Meet Leda. It's out with some profit. Okay. Now I'm still holding. Let's see. Relax. We are into the point of entry. I don't work with futures, my friend. Looking good. This is the last 5 minutes. That's great. But again, we need more. We need more pressure. We need more volume. And of course, we need the Dixie just fall. So, well, finally, the Dixie is falling. Let's see gold do the same thing. Dixie is falling hard. We need to gold continue with the uptrend again. We need Trump announce peace deal. Honestly, yes. We need that. But if Trump announced the peace deal, we will hit the stop loss. So let's expect the tomorrow. So well, the price Dix is falling. Gold is still with a little push. Let's expect the next candle give us um, the final round to continue. Well, again, it's pushing this Dixie. Didn't push that much. Let's see. Christopher, buen contenido, la buena de Colombia, pura vida, mi amigo. Ahí vamos, ahí vamos. Es bueno cuando no se pierde. Cuando es malo, se encienden las alertas. Todos sus crisis. We need the Dixie continue with that pressure there. Let's expect in the next 50 minutes candle we can see something good. Testing the point of entry. And probably it will retest again the 0.5. Dixie going up again. 0.5. We need a good reaction here. Let's expect this. It would be the last reaction, and then we can continue with the uptrend. Now testing the lower prices. Last point of reaction is 43.27, but that means stop loss. So well, what a week. Nothing good happened this week. Now it's falling. We will hit the lower prices if nothing happened. 43.30. That will be all. Up, touch. Well, it doesn't matter for zero. That 3 points more. Nothing will happen with the account. But well, guys, this is the last candles. It's falling. 43.30 is our last hope. So well, 43.40. Sorry, 43.31. It's not reaction. It's not giving nothing. Unfortunately, the all of these the sell the buyers lose all the pressure, lose all the interest to continue with the pressure near to the 43.36. So it's just 6 minutes. In 6 minutes, we will hit the 43.27, then the stop loss probably. Beautiful Tokyo session. No, beautiful New York session this week. Um, with nothing good, you know. So this is the last five. This point of reference disappear. Now it's your time. I don't think like it will touch the lower prices today. Well, surprise is gold. Probably we will touch prices around 43.05, 42.95. Mm, Probably 43.05. Yes, probably 43.05 could be the point of reference. At the end, we are losing the all the pressure. Not the pressure. Was a beautiful candle here. Was a beautiful candle. We create the that was our confirmation into the sun. We use the point of reference, retracement, all the process as usual. But well, 3 minutes. And next Monday, and it will it's a must to I will recover some money again because well the account again we in negative. Mhm. Speak in English. Speak in English. Speak in English, guys. Speak in English, not Russian, not other weird languages. English or Spanish. So well, all loose, all the point of reaction was already taken. The only one who's being active it's 43.27. That 50. That's the only one, but I don't think it will give us something. Now the price will continue falling, and that's all. That's all for the position. We try our best, but well, again, the stop loss is there 43.25. No more than that, guys. No more than that, okay? Massive candle, beautiful candle, beautiful, beautiful, so beautiful. Now it will touch the stop loss, and that's all, guys. Position was taken. The stop loss is there. So well, now it will retest the probably the 4305. So please don't take any positions there, guys. Don't take any positions there. That's all for the session in New York. New York, give us pure shit this week, guys. The begins down. We try a sell, was a stop loss. We try a long, was a stop loss. Wednesday we try a, I think was a sell too. And we close it in point of entry. Yesterday a long position, negative, and today negative. So aquí serían 276. So that's all. The stop loss is there. Really hard candle, no retracement. 50 minutes of pure retracement. Well, the last push here into the 43.30, it finally broke the point. So guys, again, this is trading. This is part of the process. This is part of the results of this week. Not too much to do. Serían 7 y 8. Long time to close a week in negative pips. Very well, starting June in negative, pretty difficult. Minus $587 at the end of the week. Easy to recover. Let's see what happened next weekend, guys. Next Monday. Monday will be there. So just the only thing what I request for you guys is don't hold positions in negative. It's Friday. The market will close in 3 hours. So please just stay there. Don't worry about that. Let's try to recover next Monday. Tokyo give us some pips. New York took that pips. 8 trades for this week. 3 wins. 2 sells in Tokyo. 1 sell in Nasdaq. 1 trade closed the point of entry and 4 stop loss. That's the recap of the trade of the day. Not too much to do. Unfortunately, it happens really strong. Probably next Monday we will start with a gap or something. So take care, guys. Take care. I'll be back next Monday. See you there. For the people into the Telegram and Discord, I will try to recover some money with Bitcoin. Okay. I will try to recover with Bitcoin. Let's see if we can do something. But well, that would be tomorrow and today into the night. So see you guys. Thanks for your support. Thanks for everything. I'll be back next Monday here in YouTube.